In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable USB debugging on Xiaomi Redmi phones. Open the settings, go in about phone, simply scroll down, tap 7 times on OS version to enable the developer options. As you can see, developer mode has been enabled. Now go back, simply scroll down, go in additional settings, scroll down, go in developer options, again scroll down. Here you will find USB debugging option. Now to enable the USB debugging option, tap on this toggle. Simply check this and tap on OK. Now if you want to disable the USB debugging, simply tap on this toggle again. My USB debugging is disabled. So this is how you can enable and disable USB debugging on Xiaomi Redmi phones. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.